Hey guys, today we wanted to talk to you about how to create professional looking videos on a small budget.
Hang on though, I think our microphone's picking up those high heels from upstairs. Who is that, by the way?
Oh, you know what? Elisa Meredith finally moved out. But Holly Gillen from Holly G Studios has just moved in, and she is proven to be as noisy as the last residents of upstairs. But she's probably a good person to ask about this topic.
Yeah, maybe she can help us.
You want your videos to look professional, right? You don't want to be creating a clown show, do you? I didn't think so. So there are 3 ways that you can make your videos look professional without breaking the bank. This is what I call the professional triangle. I'm Holly G, your go-to video gal, and I've been working in video production since 2008, and I've been running my own online business, Holly G Studios, since 2013. This is where I teach online entrepreneurs how to create business cinema. Today we're talking about the professional triangle, which is the trifecta of making your videos look professional. It is the 3 things that you can do right now to easily upgrade the look of your videos without spending a ton of money. The first thing is lighting. Lighting is important. I have 3 lights on and 2 windows currently lighting me. If I didn't have these things on, let me show you what my video would look like. So now that I'm using only the natural light, I've made some adjustments to my camera, but here's the difference. I'm fortunate enough where I have natural light coming into this room, but it's super overcast today. So there isn't a lot of light coming in, but I'm using what I can and then making the different adjustments that I need to in my camera. One of the things that you want to make sure you do so that you can take advantage of your natural light is make sure that the light is facing you and it's not coming from behind your head. This is a huge no-no because what happens is the camera is going to compensate for the light that's coming in from behind you, and it's going to make you look super dark. And you don't want to look super dark, right? You want people to be able to see your face nice and clearly. That's how you can create an upgrade with natural lighting. Next up is audio. So whatever device you're using to record your video, whether it's your computer, your laptop, your DSLR, or your mobile device, whatever it is, you don't want to rely on the internal audio. So that means you want to invest a little money into purchasing an external audio source. So when I'm recording on my computer, I use my Blue Yeti mic. It makes a huge difference in creating clear, crisp audio. You can get one for under $150 depending on which model you buy. It is well worth the investment. If you plan on making videos for your business, it will help you create clear audio for all of the videos that you're using your computer for. I love mine. I use it all the time. It also allows me to have clear audio when I'm on client calls, video calls, when I'm doing podcast interviews. It was a one-time investment that I have literally not stopped using since the day that I bought it. It was an excellent investment and I highly recommend it. If you're using your mobile device, you want to go ahead and invest in something like the Rode SmartLav. This will immediately upgrade the quality of your audio. We talked about lighting and then we talked about audio, and now the last element of the professional triangle in creating videos that look pro is graphics. So you want to add in a couple little graphics here and there, and these can be easily done inside of Canva. I created a video breakdown showing you exactly how to add graphics to your videos using Canva. Check for the links below this video. You can create a couple of graphics inside of Canva and then bring those graphics into your nonlinear editing program, whether you're using something like ScreenFlow, Camtasia, iMovie, or something a little more sophisticated like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere. Whatever you're using, bring those graphics on in and overlay them on top of your video. Add a couple of quick transitions and boom, you have professional looking graphics in just a short amount of time without trying to learn how to use After Effects because it's crazy. Super easy graphics that will immediately upgrade the look of your video. Check and check. Let's do a quick recap of the professional triangle. We had lighting, we had audio, and we had graphics. You take control of those 3 elements when you're creating your videos for just a very small investment, and you can go from oh no to super pro. Here's a bonus tip for you. Winging it, not an option, unless you're a bird and you want to fly away, or worse, you want your audience to fly away. Not an option. You need to plan your content ahead of time. I spend 60 to 65% of my process planning my videos. I have the Business Cinema Production Planner, which I use, and it helps me plan out all of my content. It helps me plan this video. And it helps me plan videos that have a plan, a purpose, a system, and using a strategy. Not just creating video for the sake of creating video, but actually creating videos that will help move my business forward and serve my bigger picture. Now, make sure to stay tuned for a special announcement from Andrew and Pete.
Oh, wow. Well, it's a good job she knows her stuff.
Hope she isn't that noisy all the time, though.
I know.
I need some peace.
Guys, go give Holly a follow. She is awesome.
And guys, if you want to go hard with video this year, then you are going to want to get your hands on a copy of Holly's Business Cinema Production Planner. It's a planner to help keep you consistent with your video creation and production. It is super, super thorough. We were so impressed with it, and it's really easy to use too.
And very kindly, Holly has given us a copy to give away to one of you lucky people. So if you want to get your hands on this awesome planner, all you have to do is be subscribed to both our channels, Andrew and Pete and Holly G Studios. And comment on this video with the answer to the following question.
Who is this a baby photo of? Is it A, me, Andrew? Is it B, Pete? Or is it C, Holly? Thanks so much for watching today, guys. We also recorded a video that's going to be over on Holly's channel, so we're going to put the link to that below as well. I have been Andrew.
I've been Pete.
See you next week.
Bye.